Do you often feel lazy? Do you see it as something you should get rid of in order to achieve more in your life? Because today we'll dive into the subject of laziness and how you can overcome it. Now, you want to expect a twist at the end that may help you see things a little bit differently. So, without further ado, let's start with the facts. Laziness is not a way to live. Hypothetically, if we lived a few thousands of years ago, laziness wouldn't have been an option. You'd have to go hunt for food as an example, or even run away from predators. Either way, I hope you do see the picture. We tend to get lazy because it's an option. Now, how do we effectively overcome such a self-sabotaging belief? We all seem to have potential within, so why won't we just do the damn thing? I'm pretty sure a bundle of excuses will start coming up, and I just want you to be aware of it for now. So, let's dive into some effective ways to avoid or at least reduce the frequency of that state of mind. Number 1. Know your goals. Write them down, plan them out, but make sure you have a direction in your life. Whatever it is, have something that resonates with you and not other people. We are emotionally wired beings who find comfort in mediocrity. Ask yourself this, it's very cliche but it works. If you had a gun pointed to your head right now, what would you do? Thank the movie Fight Club for the inspiration on this one. Number 2. Make a few lists. Few is key here. Making too much has high chances to just overwhelm you and limit you if you're anything like me. Just make sure you have a clear outline for each day about what you're supposed to be doing, but nonetheless, tracking at least what you're doing daily may not seem like much, but it's very effective on the long run. Number 3. Clean up the environment. Although cleaning up your room or your office is definitely a productive step, I'm talking about the people you surround yourself with. You're the average of the 5 people you hang out with. I'm sure you heard it so many times. You may find some resistance in the few excuses right now about how someone is affecting you, but hey, it's your life. If you don't take decisive action in it, nobody will. Number 4. Have a healthy morning routine. I'm not going to tell you to wake up at 6 a.m. and go out jogging, nor am I going to suggest that you do XYZ type of meditation. Although both of these are beneficial, you just need to find what sets you up for your own success, what works for you. What I would recommend personally is to experiment, try out different things, tweak your routine one day at a time. Start implementing, say, hydrating yourself, stretching, or maybe even having your breakfast. Start off simple and go from there. Last but not least, number 5. Get your sleep hours in. That's the most obvious of them all, and yet so many of us wonder why they don't have the energy. Respect your body and it will pay off tenfold. Trust me on that. Also, try to avoid your phone before bedtime or any stimulation on that matter. Just make the conscious effort to develop a night routine and treat it as a sacred ritual. Now, I want to suggest a way of seeing things, a perspective you may want to consider. What's the one sure thing about you watching this video? You consider yourself probably a lazy person, or you're just here for the science, and this doesn't really concern you. But if you identify with the former answer, then maybe you should let go of the assumption that you're lazy to begin with. Imagine a reality where you are a dutiful and responsible person. If there's any resistance, try to dig deeper into that. Your self-identity is an illusion composed of so many factors, and that would be for other videos. But for now, just entertain the thought. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.